Limitless group has sessions on Saturdays where we come together, we talk, we discuss, we share. If there are any doubts or queries, we meet and we try and solve those queries also for one another. Okay, so now what do you mean by be limitless? Why does the group have the name be limitless? तर आपल्याकडे आपल्या शास्त्रामध्ये आपली जी मंत्र आहे की पूर्णमिदं पूर्णमिदां पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. या सगळ्या मागचा जो उद्देश आहे की आपण स्वतः कंप्लीट आहोत आणि एक पूर्णातनं आपण आलेलो आहोत. जेव्हा आपण येतो तेव्हाही आपण पूर्णच असतो आणि आपल्या या मानवी जीवनातलं मानवी शरीरातलं कार्य पूर्ण करून आपण पुन्हा एकदा पूर्णामध्येच एकरूप होऊन जातो. फक्त इथे असताना जेव्हा आपण मानवी जीवनात येतो तेव्हा वी कम्प्लिटली फॉरगेट दॅट वी आर द पार्ट ऑफ द युनिवर्स अँड वी स्टार्ट लिव्हिंग लाईफ विथ ऑल द पेन, द मिझरी अँड ॲगनी. अँड वेन प्रॉब्लेम स्टार्ट कमिंग इज द टाइम वेन it is time to remind us that we are not so small, we are not so minuscule. Actually, we are also vast, we are also infinite, we are also limitless, and we have come from the God and we are going to go back to the energy. Although everyone will have a different way of calling it. Some will call it God, some will call it energy, some will call it Jesus, Allah, whatever everybody's faith is. But when we do therapy work, we do not use any particular words because we don't know if who belongs to which faith. So we always believe that there is some energy which is the universal energy which is higher than us, and we call it as the universe or the grace or the energy. That's it, right? That is the reason why the word be limitless is given. That when we are in problem, let us connect with our own true nature, which is the universe, which is the energy, which is infinite and which is limitless. Get it? Right? That's the objective of being in this group. The programs that we have are called as Heal from Within program. Why do we say heal from within? Up till now, we have tried to search for answers outside. We have gone to doctors, we have gone to therapists, we have gone to yoga, Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy. But always it is a journey where we are going outside and seeking help from outside. What is the difference when you are working with a therapist or with a healer? Is that the healer just acts as a facilitator. It is just an empty channel for this universal energy to help you to reach your maximum, highest and best. That is what you deserve. Now when we say this, it is a journey of going within. It is a journey of connecting inside to ourself and finding the answers from within. Very typically you will find people don't directly come to a healer. आपल्याला काही झालं तर फर्स्ट यू विल गो टू अ डॉक्टर. But if the allopathic, because allopathy is one of the standard way of treating, then if they don't find any answers, we go to homeopaths, we go to Ayurveds, we go to naturopaths, we go to physiotherapy, and then we do get results. I don't say we don't get results. We get results, but when we start realizing that there are limitations to what we are doing, is the time we start looking for answers and start looking for answers which are inside us. And how to go inside? Then a healer could have different tools, techniques and methods by which it can allow you to connect with your own consciousness. So that is what the work that we do in our mind-body healing therapies. Like you've experienced therapy work, you've experienced sessions. So we go back into our own consciousness. When we do therapy work, you connect with your own self. You connect with your own life's examples. You learn and understand the lessons from your own life. You try and understand what was it that was missing, that was lacking. And we take it in the form of internal resources or qualities or balloons. Right? So all this work is internal work. And this is happening from within, and you're the one who's doing it. there's nobody who's sitting and counseling you or giving you advice ki baba asar kar, tasar kar, do this, do that, follow this, follow that. It's just you who's finding your answers. A therapist might just ask you different kind of questions to help you come to your answers. You're not going to get any ready-made answers. The reason being that answers or ways or methods or beliefs or empowering resources which you find on your own are going to stick because it is your truth. It is true for you. It's not somebody else's truth. And that's the reason why therapy work always gives good results. And always the results tend to stay, and they not just transform the mind, the consciousness, but then also help to change the body mechanism, the physical conditions of the body, eventually help to heal relationship, whether it is your relationship with people, whether it is your relationship with money, whether it is your relationship with health, with other society members. It starts happening because you are actually healing from within. That's the reason why the program is called as Heal From Within. And naturally, because you're healing from within, your immunity or your body mechanism, your innate healing system is the one that is taking charge. There's no something that is externally working for you. When we are doing this, it so often happens that the body's problems start coming down, and the body sometimes might spontaneously go into healing. We've seen spontaneous healing where a couple of sessions were and the body just breaks free and it starts healing. Like I know an example of one of our patients who was a patient of irritable bowel syndrome. And in that case, when she was having loose motions of 10, 20 loose motions in a day, just one session was able to stop her problems. And in 3 sessions, her issue was cleared. Now, this is called as practically spontaneous healing. Spontaneous healing is possible, but whether everybody will achieve it or no depends very often on your own internal mechanism. किंवा कधी कधी असंही म्हणू आपल्या भाषेमध्ये इट माइट डिपेंड ऑन युअर कर्माज ऑल्सो की व्हॉट इज युअर जर्नी ऑफ with your karmas. But nevertheless, healing in whichever way and whatever way it happens definitely helps. Right. Now there are certain things which we are given as homework. Today we are going to talk of one aspect of the homework, which is